Rhythm, correct? We just have to thank millions of fans who made it possible. You know, it's because of them they heard the song. It's because of them the song reached their ears. So once again, I just have to thank millions and millions of fans, 1 crore exactly now, to make that possible. You know, they heard the song. It's because of them. White background, night color, black.
You walk into a party and everyone's humming it now. Everyone, asks me what the word means. And though I'm not directly linked to the song in any way, I feel happy to be a part of this, this whole team and be a part of that fever. It's a lot of fun.
Kind of publicity and the reach that the internet has given us and has had, I don't think even how many ever CDs or how many ever posters or ads would have given this kind of a reach.
Good morning and a warm welcome. You're with the very latest here on today's edition of Breaking at 10. I'm Nida Khan. Well, up first here at 10:30, we're talking about a song that's become a rage all across the nation. Well, yes, we are talking about Kolaveri Di. The question is, why has it become such a big rage? In India and abroad, that is. In a super marketing move, Sony posted the song on Tamil, Hindi and international Facebook pages, and it went on to become a national rage just ahead of its launch. Within days, it's become India's most searched YouTube video ever, the first Tamil film song to play on MTV India and national radio stations, and now entire articles are being written in Indian and international press. It is also the first Tamil pre-film release song that has ever made it here as a full feature on this show.
Rhythm, correct?
Amitabh Bachchan is going gaga over it. It is the latest trending topic on Twitter. It has got millions of hits on YouTube and has spread like wildfire on Facebook. So why is Kolaveri Di such a rage? Is it the nonsense Tamglish? The funny instructions?
Okay, mama. Now tune change.
The foot tapping music, or a bit of it all?
I want to hear now.
The Kolaveri Di phenomenon began with this young gentleman, Anirudh Ravichandar, and his first ever composition for a Tamil film that has got the entire country driving to its beats. Director Aishwarya Rajnikant had wanted a song that emoted failure in love.
I know what kind of work he does, and he's a very good keyboard player, and he's won awards from Rahman sir and things like that. And I wanted something new. I wanted a very youthful sound to my film, and I wanted the music to be fresh, and Anirudh is delivering that.
The 21-year-old music composer set the tune within 5 minutes, and Aishwarya's husband, actor-singer Dhanush, started off in broken English, singing in jest. The words and the song were finalized within a record 20 minutes.
He played whatever came to his mind. I sang whatever came to my head, and it just happened. The song just happened there in that one small jamming session.
The most watched music video has Dhanush singing the song in a recording studio, composer Anirudh at the keyboard, Dhanush's wife Aishwarya and co-star Shruti Hassan can be seen giving suggestions. The quirky song was a viral hit on the internet instantly after it was put up on YouTube. While the buzz is that the song was leaked, the makers deny it. The song was digitally released by Sony Music on November 16th. The song features in the upcoming Tamil film 3, which is due for release in 2012.
Only English.
I'm here on the sets of the Tamil film 3 starring Dhanush and Shruti Hassan. A buzz has been created around the film following the unprecedented success of the song Kolaveri D. But the filmmakers don't want to reveal anything more and are keeping the details of the film tightly under wraps. Priyambada in Chennai for Headlines Today.
Well, like we just said, the song Kolaveri D has become quite a big rage, but very few know about the kind of people who actually came up with this peppy number. We now bring to you a sneak peek on the Tamil royalty squad behind Kolaveri D.
Soup song. Flop song. Why this Kolaveri, Kolaveri, Kolaveri D? Why this Kolaveri, Kolaveri, Kolaveri D? Rhythm, correct?
Not just India, but music buffs from across the globe are tripping on this new soundtrack. And when the recording was being done in their Chennai studios, even the creators did not know what they were about to unleash. White background, night color, black. And the credit for turning this original promo song for Tamil film Moon stays entirely with the four who thought it up, the Kolaveri D squad. First in the line is the singer of this song, Venkatesh Prabhu Kasturi Raja, popularly known as Dhanush. This national award-winning 28-year-old is a very famous Tollywood actor. Married to superstar Rajnikant's daughter Aishwarya, it was Dhanush who came up with the Tamil-English mix of the lyrics for Kolaveri D. Aishwarya Rajnikant, as the name suggests, is superstar Rajnikant's daughter. A trained classical dancer, Moon will be her first stint as a feature film director. Aishwarya wanted a fresh and catchy number on the love failure to promote her film, and so Kolaveri was born. We now come to the music director of this musical rage, Anirudh Ravichandra. Nephew of Rajnikant and an alumni of Loyola College, Moon will see Anirudh making his debut as a music director. The 21-year-old started humming the music as soon as Aishwarya came up with an idea for a promo song. A known face in Hindi and Tamil cinema, Shruti Hassan is the daughter of the legendary Kamala Hassan. Shruti is the lead actor for the film Moon along with Dhanush and was an integral part of Kolaveri D crew.
Okay, Mama. Now tune change. Only English.
Well, this pack of Tamil film royalty has definitely made it big with Kolaveri D. But that has also set the expectations very high on the film. And Moon, when it releases, will have a hard time living up to the Kolaveri D hype. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
I want to hear now.